Okay, children, next exercise in triangles. We'll discuss about 7.4 exercise 9th CBSE NCERT. Okay, children, CBSE NCERT. 7.4 exercise I'm going to discuss, children. This is all about inequalities, children. The basic things which you have to remember in this exercise, children. Number one, always remember. Important thing you should remember, children. Important thing. Basic important thing. What is means? Listen. If this is big angle and if this is small angle, imagine if this is bigger angle and if this is smaller angle, the side opposite to smaller angle will be smallest side and side opposite to bigger angle is biggest longest side. If you remember this, enough. Okay, side opposite to smaller angle is smallest side, side opposite to bigger angle is longest side. Vice versa also correct only. The angle opposite to longest side is bigger angle. The angle opposite to smallest side is smaller angle. Like that also. If you can remember, big opposite is big only, small opposite is small only. Over, children, this exercise is over. You will understand. Based on this only, little bit sums are there, 5 sums are there. I am going to complete. You first listen, don't write anything. Later onwards, you practice each sum 5 times and submit it. Children, very, very important exercise, children, examination point of view. And please listen, children. Number one. So what is show that in right triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. Children, right triangle means one side is 90 degrees. A, B, C. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Assume if angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. AC is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Why AC is hypotenuse? Because 90 degrees opposite is always hypotenuse. As in right angle triangle, always in right angle triangle, always 90 degrees is long. 90 degrees is biggest angle always in right angle triangle, because children, if this is x you say, if this is y you say, so 90 plus x plus y is equal to 180. Okay, children, if this you bring here, x plus y is equal to 180 minus 90, x plus y is equal to 90. So this plus this is equal to 90. So this and this together is giving 90, means 90 is the biggest angle. Simple logic. This plus this is giving 90, means these both are smaller than this angle only. No? This is smaller than 90, this is also small. Individually, each angle is smaller than 90. Individually, each angle is smaller than 90. So 90 degrees is biggest angle. Where? In right angle triangle. Don't write rat in your exams. If you write like that, I'll give 0 marks. So as hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degrees, hypotenuse is longest side. Why hypotenuse is longest side? Because side opposite to biggest angle, side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. Like that. Okay, children, try to understand, children. So as 90 degrees is the biggest angle, this side is the longest side. As 90 degrees is the biggest angle, this angle is longest side. That's all. Why? You should write this condition. Side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. This is first side. This is first side. Okay, later you can copy, children. Later you can copy. Just listen, children. So that what happens, you will understand. If you write and if you listen, if you write and if you listen, always you will be thinking of before sir, we should copy. You won't concentrate on what I am teaching. That's why you just concentrate on what I'm teaching. Later, check the video and copy and try to practice. One more subject. This is very, very interesting subject. Very, very interesting subject. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is P, this is Q. Okay. What is given means AB and AC of triangle external P and Q respectively. Given what means, children? Given is angle PBC is smaller than angle QCB. What is required to prove means AC is greater than AB. We should prove. That's all. Very, very interesting subject. You see, you will really enjoy this. If you like geometry, you will enjoy this subject. Very, very interesting. See here, I won't spoil the diagram. I'm showing this one. A, B, C. This is P. This is Q. PBC. This is PBC. XCB. QCB. This is QCB. He is saying this is bigger. This is bigger. This is smaller. He's saying. Okay. He's saying y is smaller than x. Y is smaller than x. Try to understand, children. This is bigger. Okay. Now, try to understand, children. Try to understand. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This is M I will put, this is N I will put, children. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Instead of Y, can I write A plus M, children? A plus M. Instead of X, I can write A plus M. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. A plus M. A cancel. M is less than N. Means M is less than N. If M is less than N, N is longest side. N is biggest angle. N is biggest angle means side opposite to biggest angle is longest. No? So AC is, if this is smaller, no? So this is also smaller. AC is greater than AB. That's all he's asking. AC is greater than AB. That's all. Simple, children. Over. Why I wrote like that? Exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. I hope you understood, children. No, sir, we didn't understand. Means once again, I'm saying, children. Slowly, I will say now. You see, he told that y is less than x. He told. See, x is bigger, y is smaller. He said PVC is smaller than QC. So y we can write as a plus m. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. X we can write as a plus m. A plus m. A cancel. M is less than n. M is less than. Means M is smaller than n. Of opposite M, who is there? AB. Opposite N, who is there? AC. So AC is bigger than AB. Oh, that's all, children. I'm telling you, very, very interesting sum, children. If you really understood this sum. Yes. Anyone didn't understand this sum, children? You let me know. Very, very beautiful sum. Okay. So opposite to M, who is there? AB. Opposite to N, who is there? AC. So AC is bigger than AP. Why? Side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. You should write it in brackets. Side opposite to biggest angle is longest side. If you want to get good marks, listen and write later, children. Copy later. I hope you enjoyed this one, children. Third sum. Immediately after the class, I will send the video, children. Don't worry. Immediately after the class, I will send the video. You concentrate what I'm saying. A, C. Okay. Children, this is also very interesting, sir. Please concentrate. This is also very interesting, sir. Given. What is given? Given is angle B is less than angle A. Angle C is less than angle D. Required proof. AD is less than BC. AD is less than BC. Oh, that's all. Shall we prove? Very easy. Listen, all of you. First, what I gave children? Angle B is less than angle A. Who is in this triangle? In this triangle, opposite angle B, who is there? OA. Opposite angle A, who is there? OB. Means OB is bigger than OA. He gave angles, we wrote in sides because B is means OB, B is smaller, means OA is smaller. A is bigger, means OB is bigger. Like that. Okay. No, sir, we didn't understand this. Again, I'm saying angle C is smaller than angle D. Who is opposite to angle C, children? Only in this triangle. Who is opposite to angle C? OD. Who is opposite to angle C? OD. OD is smaller than who is opposite angle D? OAC. Who is opposite angle D? OC. Okay, children. Now add both. Add both. OA plus OD. OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. What is OA plus OD, children? A. And what is OB plus OC, children? BC. That only now he has to prove, hence prove over. That's all. Oh, I'm telling you, children, very easy to understand. Angle B means I wrote OA. Angle B means I wrote angle OA. Angle A means I wrote angle. Angle A means I wrote OB. Try to understand. Those who did not understand, children, A is bigger means OB is bigger. A is bigger means OB is bigger. B is smaller means OA is smaller. B is smaller means OA is smaller. Try to understand. A is bigger means this is bigger. B is smaller means this is smaller. That only I wrote. If you can understand this, you can do anything, children. If you can understand. Very, very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. That's all. Okay, children. So what is the what do you write? Side opposite. Side opposite to biggest angle is
Sir, can you
longest.
explain the last part?
This plus this, OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. What is OA plus OD? AD. AD. What is OB plus OC? BC. That's what. Slowly you should understand, children. Okay. Angle B means I wrote this side. Angle A means I wrote this side. Angle A is biggest means OB is biggest. Angle A is biggest means OB is biggest. Angle A is biggest means OB is biggest. Angle B is smallest means OA is smallest. Angle B is smallest means OA is smallest. Like that. If you can understand that, you will understand everything. Okay. Later you open the video, children, and copy all the sums and try to do each one 5 times. Then you will understand. And children, in this exercise, this is the most important for the sum, children. How many times we say also, for understanding it is very easy, but children will get again and again confusion with this sum. Please concentrate very children. In this exercise, if ever anyone asks to give the sums, first they will give this sum only. Okay, children, this exercise has said, children, what he said means, he said given AB is the smallest, he said, out of all sides, and CD is longest out of all sides. Required proof. First proof is angle A is greater than angle C, we should show. Second proof is angle B is greater than angle D, we should show. First proof I will say, second proof who will say, I will see. First proof I will say, second proof who will tell me, I will see online. Yeah? No. We have to show AC, no? A is bigger than Z, no? So for first one, join AC. Join AC. For the second one, join B. Okay? Join AC. Here I won't correct your figure, children. Here I will show. A, B, D, C. As we are putting A and C, join AC. Join AC. You have to understand, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to understand, children. Very easy sum, children. In this triangle, what is the name of this triangle? ABC. Okay, children. AB is smallest. AB is smallest, he said. Who said service? First one he said, no, right? In all sides, AB is smallest, he said. AB is smallest means AB is smallest means AB is smallest means AB is smallest means angle 4 is smallest. Angle 4 is smallest than angle 1. Angle 4 is smallest than angle 1. How you know, sir, means AB is smallest, so angle 4 is smallest. AB is smallest, so angle 4 is smallest. Smallest than angle 1. Okay. Now in this triangle, ADC. In ADC, children, he said CD is longest. CD is longest means opposite to CD, who is there? 2. So angle 2 is bigger than angle 3. And CD is longest, so angle 2 is bigger than angle 3. Over, children. Now join this both, children, add this both. Children, add this both, add this both. If you add this both, see, children, angle 4 plus angle 3, angle 4 plus angle 3 is less than angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, children. Okay. Angle 4 plus 3 is what, children? Angle C. Is less than angle 1 plus angle 2 is what, children? Angle A. That only asked about angle A is bigger than angle C. We proved it. Angle A is bigger than angle C. We proved it over, children. That's all. That's all. Very convincing sum, children. Very convincing sum. Okay. Sometimes you may get confusion also. Don't worry. Okay, children. It's very easy sum. Okay. Next bit. Anyone want to say next bit? Anyone want to say next bit? B and D. Anyone want to say next bit? Anyone interested?
Can I try?
Who is that? Who will try?
Sir Sahas.
Yeah, no, fantastic. Sahas will try, Nana. Later, others. Sahas wants to try. First, join.
We have to join B and D.
B and D.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
BD.
Now I will name the angles. You tell me the angles. Okay. I 1, 2, 3, 4. All no. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me about ABD. Tell me about ABD.
Sir, in ABD, AB is the smallest side, sir.
Very good, fantastic. AB is the smallest.
The, and then ADB is gonna be the smallest angle.
Say angle 8. I gave no name. Angle 8 is
Okay, sir.
smallest.
Angle 8 is smallest.
Then angle 5.
Angle 5.
Angle 8 is smaller than angle 5. Very good, Nana. Very
Angle
good.
5, yes.
I really love it. BCD. Can you tell about
BCD.
BCD?
Sir, it is given that CD is the largest side, then angle 6 will be the biggest angle.
Then angle 7.
Then angle 7, yes, sir.
Add both over. You understood the sum. Add both. Add 8 plus 7.
8 plus 7 plus
8 plus
sorry, is greater than
Is less
5
than
plus 6. Angle 5 plus 6.
angle 5 plus angle 6. 8 plus 7 means what? Then 8 plus 7 means what? Angle D.
D.
8 plus 7
Angle
is
D.
angle D
Sorry, sir.
is
Angle
less
D.
than
Angle B is
over. That
angle
only.
B.
Angle B is greater than angle D. Angle B is greater than angle D. Over, children. That's it. That's it, children. Okay. It's very interesting subject. Okay. In ABC, AB is smallest. So 4 is smallest. In ADC, CD is longest. So 3 is biggest. CD is longest. 3 is biggest. That's what I get. Here also in ABD, AB is smallest. If AB is smallest, 5 is opposite to AB, who is there? 8. 8 is smallest. Here CD is longest. So opposite to CD, who is there? 6. 6 is biggest. CD is longest, 6 is biggest. CD is longest, 6 is biggest. And very interesting some children and very convincing some, and many people really I don't understand. They always get hooked. Oh, some is their children. Slowly you practice. Slowly, whenever they ask AC, join AC. Whenever they ask BD, join BD, and name them. Name them easily, because every time AD, BD, you get confusion. And do the sum, children. They will. If you understand the sum, I am telling you, you derive pleasure like anything, children. So much beautiful sums there. Okay, children. Last sum, fifth sum. I hope you convinced it, children. If no, sir, means you ask me again. I will tell later, children. First, let me complete. Coming to fifth sum, children. What is the fifth sum? Means it looks like this, children. Somewhat. This is P. This is Q. This is R. Children, enjoy the sums. Enjoy the sums always. Don't say max is tough. That is tough. This is tough. Enjoy the sums always. Max is not tough, children. Only thing is we won't practice. That's a lot of laziness. Not that we don't know. Negligence, laziness. That's all. Children, given. Given is PR greater than PQ, he said. PR greater than PQ. And he also said that PS bisects angle QPR. Angle QPR is P. Required to prove angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. We didn't understand anything else. I will say, don't worry. Okay. So, children, PR is greater than PQ. This is bigger than this, he said. No problem. PS bisects. PS bisects means if this is angle X, so this is also angle X. Easy way you write, children. Obviously, it will be easy for you. We have to prove that PSR, let me say this is angle 1, is angle 1 is greater than angle 2. We have to prove that angle 1 is greater than angle 2. That's all. Okay, children. So listen, children, here very easy sum, children. Please try to understand now. Everyone should understand it now. Please see here. Mute your audios now. Mute your audios. I will get disturbance. Children, PR is red. Mute your audios. If not, I will unmute mute your audios. If I say anything, you don't understand. Yeah, children. PR is greater than PQ, he said. He said. It's given. Who is their opposite to PR, children? Who is their opposite to PR? Listen, children.
Angle Q, sir.
Yeah. Imagine, children. Please imagine. First, this line is only not there. This line is only not there. Middle. Nana, mute your audios, Nana. Mute your audios. Opposite to PR, who is there? Angle Q. Unnecessarily, people are disturbing me. Opposite opposite to PR, Q is there. Opposite to PQ, R is there, children. Opposite to Q, R is there. Imagine this one, not there. Now add X on both sides. Add X on both sides, because when equals are added to equals, both sides are equal. Euclid's geometry. Angle Q plus X we can add. Angle R plus X. Okay, now children. See, children, both are 50 degrees. Imagine for both of okay, try to understand. The 60 is greater than 30. For this I will add 10. For this side then 70. Then also will be greater than 40. No, that's what I'm saying. Q is greater than R. For both of them equal angles I'm adding. Now, children, last step. Q plus X. Q plus X. What we can write? Angle 1.
Angle 1, sir.
Because this plus this is 1. Extra angle is called sum of interior. In the same way, R plus X, what we can write? Angle 2. Angle 2. That's what my hands prove. Over, children. That's it. Sum is over. You may be getting confused, sir. What is this? What is the meaning? So, children, nothing is there. I said no. What he gave, I took, children. Opposite to PRQ is there. Opposite to PQR is there. I wrote. For both of them, I added X. Nothing wrong, no, children. Both of them are equal. I can add. And equals are added to equals. Both are equal. So Q plus X is equal to 1. And R plus X is equal to 2. R plus X. Sum of interior angles is equal to exterior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Very, very important. Very, very. That's it. You can prove like that. Next. One example I want to see, children. Only example 9. Example 9. He said like this. This is A, this is B, this is D, this is C. Given you see, children, given is AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. This and this are equal. Such that required to proof is we have to show that AB is greater than AD. That's all. AB is greater than AD. We have to show. Children, proof. As AD is equal to AC. If this is X, this is also X. Because equal sides will have equal base angles. Equal sides will have equal base angles. Okay, children. So ADC is exterior angle for AB. Okay. So this I can write 1 plus AD I can write as AD I can write this angle. Okay, children. Try to understand. AD, children. AB is all of you see here. AD is equal to AC, children. If AD is equal to AC, X is equal to X. Base angles are equal. If base angles are equal, this is extra angle for this one.